The spirit of innovation has fueled Valvoline for more than 100 years, and it continues to define us as we develop a new generation of performance fluids for hybrid and pure electric vehicles.
We studied the battery technology, the inverters, the motors themselves, really to understand what's needed in these vehicles so that we can develop the correct products that are optimized for the specific conditions of an EV.
Our commitment began in the 1990s with the establishment of our fuel cell testing lab, followed by our electric vehicle fluid line in 2008. Today, that capability has grown into an industry-leading dedicated EV testing lab and field testing infrastructure, all focused on engineered solutions to increase vehicle range, reduce charge time, and reduce overall system cost. Our mathematical modeling of engines and transmissions has expanded to cover aspects of battery design for quick assessment of proposed new heat transfer fluids.
Battery need to operate at an optimized range of temperature, so it's very important for the coolant to help the batteries maintain that temperature range for the performance, also for the battery life and endurance of the whole system.
Newer vehicles are claiming to be long distance, like more than 200 miles range. You need very good cooling for that.
We can monitor batteries, we can monitor the temperatures, we can control the flows of the coolants through the batteries. So we're able to determine if a fluid can move more heat at a given load.
If you compare off-shelf fluid used by current electric vehicle manufacturer and lubricant, which was optimized for this electric drive only, we got almost 2% improvement on the efficiency. That's a huge improvement.
These next-generation fluids are currently used in electric vehicles, fuel cells, and stationary battery and charging stations, and are being tested in emerging areas like drone and electric aircraft cooling. Valvoline's lineup of EV drivetrain system fluids include EV synthetic transmission fluids, chassis, bearing, and motor greases, and new contact greases to improve electrical and thermal conductivity for EV connector applications, as well as brake fluids optimized for EV applications.
We're not just repackaging traditional products, we're developing a whole new line of products for hybrid vehicles and battery electric vehicles. From an engineering standpoint, it's a lot of fun, but then you take into account being better for the environment and working on these green initiatives, and it's just really the icing on the cake.
At Valvoline, we're engineering the next generation of electric vehicle fluids and lubricants, maximizing performance and driving sustainability.